Hey Siri, pick a number through 1 to 15.
It's 2.
And it's down. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making patterns. Well, trying to. I did fail at making this, but it still turned out pretty cute in the end. And if you want to watch me struggle, then keep on watching. So I first saw how to do this from two people. One is Bailey J, and the other one, I really tried to find this person, but I could not find them to save my life. But yeah, that's where I got this idea from. But anyways, the reason I wanted to do these patterns was for my art shop. I just thought it would be cool to put on some merch. So I thought it would be interesting and fun to make for my Redbubble shop. And the link to that is always in the description box below. So a while ago, I did make a list of pattern designs that I wanted to do. And I do want to make this a series on my channel of me making or attempting to make patterns. Maybe the second time I will get it right. So the paper I used is just regular printer paper. And the first thing I did was I drew one line going down the center portrait way and one line going down the center landscape way. And then I sketched out my design. And you don't really have to put the lines on the side that you're drawing on. I just wanted to see what my like little creatures or whatever would be like sliced in half or whatever. But I knew that I was going to finish this digitally, so it didn't really matter. I'm just gonna color over it. And yeah, so I will make this a coloring page soon. I keep on saying that, but like right now I have like a whole stack of drawings that I need to make into coloring pages, which is really time consuming, and I really don't like line art that much. But for my art style, it requires it, so I have to suck it up and, just do it. Well, at least that's what Nike says. This video was supposed to be my Wednesday video, but I really tried to finish this by Wednesday at least, or before Wednesday. Well, that didn't work out because I didn't post on Wednesday. And I started sketching this on Sunday after church, and I did the sketch and then I scanned it into my computer. Monday I did the line art, and Tuesday I was going to color it, but my teacher started piling up a lot of homework, so I had to do that first. Usually I don't have that much homework, and like you're probably wondering like how do I balance YouTube and school? And the truth is I don't, but my education will always come first before art because that's more important even if I am majoring in art. Sometimes I do pre-film and edit most of my videos. And the funny thing is, I actually want to post like 3 times a week because it's just fun watching my channel grow and getting all this positive feedback. And I just want to say thanks for all the positive feedback because it really makes my day and puts a smile on my face. And I just like helping people and other artists in general. And I get to do that and just do what I love at the same time, which is really cool. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up for my effort, and hopefully I can actually do this the right way the next time I make patterns. And I had fun making this drawing because it was relaxing and I didn't really have to think much about it. I was just taking ideas from my brain and putting them on paper, and it was just really fun and relaxing. Pretty sure I said that already. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!